Hello traders, it's Ashkan with another roadmap of the day. I really honestly wish all of you had a good day and had a good trade. I will repeat it again and again. The best way to be a pro trader is reviewing your trades and have a personal plan for yourself. Okay, let's go to the chart, guys. If you watched the vision of the day, we talk about it, this movement of the daily candle. As you see, it just went up, but it back to this base area again. And we mentioned this daily candle doesn't have a bottom wick. So it could be a sign that it wanna go up. So as you see, this up movement, bullish movement happened exactly. And this candle is just trying to close above that area, so let's see how it will be closed at the daily time frame. At the H4 price, it just went up and then back down. At the 4 hour, as you see, guys, it just went down and it closed right that area at yesterday. So many of the traders, they think this movement, this bearish movement will be continued, but as it just back to the base area at the higher time frame, and this 4 hour candle does not have any wick, and it just back to this FTR zone. So you should understand that we have a rules for these FTRs. It's back to the zone, so it will be the easy if you have a rules for it. So when we go for a sell at the higher time frame at the H4, when it just came to this area and then candle close below that and make like a broken FTR and then tap it and then going down. And another sign that it doesn't have any wick, so it will be a sign that it doesn't want to going down, it want to go up, it want to go back up. And just look at the formation of these last two candles, guys. When you see these two of candles and the second candle is closing above the previous one, don't go for a sell. It's an alert, a sign to go and search for a buy. And at the H1 time frame, it just went up, made the FDR, and then went up. So it just made a structure like this, guys. Rally, FTR or base, and then rally, base, rally. So what does that mean? It means the structure has been changed. It's a buy situation. So it went up, and exactly at the New York session, we have this breakout. You know, do you see this power of the bullish movement, guys? It just made a high, higher high, higher high, and higher high. And these lows, it looks like a channel, and then we have a breakout. So all of these signs show us that it wanna go up. And this area that we have a long wick tips, I've mentioned a lot about that, and I've talked about many times about the long wick tips. It just made like a flip, tap down, and then do you see, guys? Look at here, guys. Just look at here. When this candle is closing above this price, this long wick tips, what's happening, guys? Isn't it magical? But it's not a hard thing, you know. It just close above that. You should just wait. It just closed and boom, up. That's so easy. And what happened after that, guys? Price is respecting this area, this number, this premium price again and again and again. Do you see, guys? None of this candle is closing below that. So what does that mean? It means if the candle could close below this area, it could be going down. Look at here, guys. It just went up pre Frankfurt Open. You know, we have a movement. You know, when we have this type of movement pre Frankfurt, pre London, it's just a sign. It's just the big boys, those who manage and move the markets, they decided to correct the price to be back in that place that it should be. So in that area that we do not have any volume, why we should have this kind of movement? You know, none of the market is open in that area. So it's just a sign. When you see like this before opening, it's like a sign that maybe the price and wanna go to this way of the structure. And look at here, guys. It just made like a double bottom. It went up, it's just broken FTB to it, and then went up. It's that area that I'm gonna to start trading. And as I mentioned at the vision of the day, it just made like a base area. It was so easy, guys, so easy. So the thing is, we should just wait to see a breakout any way, any side of this base. So price went up, and another up. It show us a up movement, bullish movement. You know, do you see, guys? It's up, higher high, higher high, higher high. So it just show us it gonna going up. We should just wait for a best situation to enter. And the candle is closing above that, so this area was the perfect way. That area that we are waiting for it for a buy. It just went up with a good momentum, and it just came to this flip zone. It will be like your target. But as you see, guys, because of the momentum, this candle is closing above. This candle is making new high, so there is no confirmation for a sell around here because no supply happening here. So price is gonna go up again after that, and it reached to this area that I took a sell. Look at here, guys. This price, about this price, is a premium price, guys. Premium price means those price that we have some more respected, and it should not be tapped many times. We should have a good movement after break that number, or when it tapped them that number. And so this area, this was like a premium price. It just went up, and I saw this supply happening here, and I went for a sell to reach like a next area, this area as a target. And another trade that I missed to enter was so easy, guys. This area, it just make like a base area. It's like a tiny FDR at the bearish movement. So for a risky trade, this area, a couple of pips below of the base area, could be an entry. It's like a base breakout for a risky trade. You could gain this all of these pips. And even at the M5, when you see this candle is closed at and it's below of this broken FDR, so it could be a good situation for sell, but it will be a high risk and more risk than that FTB to the base, broken base. And what happened after that? It just came down. It retraced up because of the momentum. We could not go for a sell. The rule says when we have a momentum, you should not go for against of the momentum movement. You should wait for more confirmation. It just made like a double bottom, and here was a good area for a buy till it reached and tapped this base area, and then this area was another situation for a sell that it shows us that it's gonna going down. It's just a FTB to the base area. I think it wasn't a hard day. We could take like a 4 to 5 trades. As we know, just 2 trades or even 3 trades per day will be enough. And that's it. Have a good night, guys. Review your trades. And if you like this video, share with your friends. And God bless you all.